This is the FAS1 safe, their compact model. It has been adapted to my needs by myself. The factory likes to install holsters to hold the gun, but as I live in Florida, that's not too good of an idea, I don't think. So what I have done is install a pistol rod. Now you can see here, and I'll reach in here and remove the pistol, my LC9S, and that just rides on there. It's spring loaded so that it opens, closed. It's made of 3/16 inch steel. It has no holes drilled in it whatsoever, so that you can drill your own mounting holes in it, as you saw on the other side. I have installed a small dehumidifying rod in it. What it actually is, because a commercially available rod is 15 watts or larger. What I did was I bought a 7200 ohm resistor, which dissipates 2 watts at the normal line voltage, 120 volts, and which should be fine for the small enclosed space like this. Okay. I chose this safe because it's both heavy duty and has a mechanical lock. I do not trust electronic locks in mission critical situations, and the simplex style lock means it's very quick to get into. You punch in your combination and it flips open. And in this instance, I'll get in here where you can see the rod again. The rod is tipped up slightly so that the gun will not fall off of it when it's in the horizontal position. This is the only model of this safe that opens to a full vertical position. The others open about 45 degrees or maybe 60 degrees, I'm not sure, but they open up at an angle. And that would probably be better in this situation, but this works. You can see here the 2 holes that I've drilled in it to mount it with, and I'll show it mounted here in a few minutes. I wanted to film it here first because of better lighting and access. And then down inside there is the aforementioned resistor. There's the resistor on a 1/4 inch bolt, bolted in place. I drilled 2 small holes in each of those large fender washers for air circulation inside the resistor. And I put in this carpet because I had it. You can buy it from them with carpet pre-installed, which really is the way to go, but I wanted to get rid of this carpet anyway. But the next one I buy for my wife's pistol will be pre-carpeted. This plate here in the middle next to the gun has to do with the holster that they normally put in. I probably could have cut it off, but I figured it helped keep the gun from swinging around, so I left it there and covered it with carpet so that it wouldn't get beat up. Because somebody's going to ask me this. Yes, the pinky hold magazine will work with this setup. Here it is installed on the side of the bed. It's ready to go. Let me come down here and open it. There it is. You can, the padded area inside, the carpet and everything, let you keep extra magazines and ammunition and things like that in it. And somebody's going to ask me, so that resistor in there, it gets warm. You can still hold it. If it was any warmer, you wouldn't want to, but if it's just right at the edge where you can touch it and keep touching it, you can hold it, and it's not unpleasant. And the rod, the pistol rod, is a modified rod from Hold Up Displays. I had to cut it shorter, I had to bend it differently, and the red tip on it actually came from their competitor. That would be ArmoryRacks.com, but Armory Racks does not make a pistol rod of this type, so hence the combined versions. And so we can put this all around here, get that stupid lens cap out of the way. All right, with the pistol on the thing, and push it shut, and it's ready for deployment.